So parsers are nothing but syntax analyzer. And the parsers are classified into two types. The first one is top-down parser and second one is bottom-up parser. So these top-down parsers are further classified into two categories. One is parser with backtracking and second one is parser without backtracking. So in case of parser without backtracking, a grammar should not have a left recursion. Left recursion is not allowed in parser without backtracking, and a grammar should not be non-deterministic. Means a grammar having left recursion is not allowed, and the grammar is non-deterministic also not allowed in parser without backtracking. So parser without backtracking is further classified into two categories. The first one is recursive descent parser and second one is non-recursive, which is LL1 parser. So in case of operator precedence, next is bottom-up parser. Bottom-up parser, one is operator precedence parser. So in case of operator precedence parser is the only parser which accept ambiguous grammar. Okay, means ambiguous grammar is okay for the operator precedence parser, and if a grammar is ambiguous, then other parser will not allow that grammar. Okay, so this is the only grammar which allow ambiguity or ambiguous grammar. And second is and the other types of bottom-up parser are LL0, SLR1, LALR1 and CLR. Okay, so these are the parsers and we will study them in detail one by one. So let us understand top-down. First, let us understand top-down parser and bottom-up parser with the help of one example. Okay. So I am having a grammar in which E derives a grammar in which E derives A, B and E. A derives A, B, C, B derives D. Okay, so this is the grammar given to us, and by using this grammar I have to generate a string W. The string is A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so this is the desired string. I have to generate this string by using this grammar. So let us generate this string by using top-down parser and given grammar. So in case of top-down parser, I will start from the start symbol, and here start symbol is E. Okay, so starting with start symbol which is E, E will give us A, or we can say that the productions of E are A, B and E. Okay, A, B and E. Okay, I am repeating. In top-down parser, we will start from the top, or that is the start symbol, and moving downward. And here A, here I have to choose. one thing I have missed, that there is a B. Okay, so at point A I have a choice that I can use either this production or I can use this production. So depending on the string or the result, I have to make choice in the top down parser. So depending on this string, I will choose the production in which A will gives capital A, P and C. Okay, and for B I will generate the only option which is D. Okay, so same here, I will use the production of A as B. Okay, so by using this pass tree I am getting the string that is desired. Okay, so this is the method of top down parsing. Okay, I am moving from top to the bottom. But in case of bottom up parsing, I will start from the string or the bottom and move upward. Means I will take the string and reduce that string to the starting point, which is A, E. So let us see. The string is, desired string is A, then B, B, C, D and E. Okay, so I will move upward. So here I have an option that I can reduce the terminal B to A. Okay, so I am reducing here B to A. Okay, and second one is, if I am getting capital A, B and C, means capital A, B and C, then I can reduce that to A. Okay, and one more, if I am getting D, then I can reduce that D to B. D to B. And if I am getting small a, capital A, B and E, means in this way I can reduce A, capital A, B and E to E, which is the star symbol. Okay, and the string is accepted. So this is the top down and this one is the bottom up. In top down I am moving from top to down, and bottom up I am moving from the bottom to the top. Okay, so one thing that I want to clear, that in top down I have to make choice that what to choose. Okay, what to choose means, if I am having A, then I have option to choose A, B, C, or I can choose D. So depending on the desired result, I have to choose what I have to generate. Okay, so in bottom up I have to check what to reduce. Okay, so this is the top down and bottom up parsing. Okay, so next we will start from the parser, the first parser, which is LL1 parser. Okay, thank you.